Okay, we're gonna get ready to put our frame down. On a pointy nose board like this fish, we're just gonna make sure that we leave about 3/4 of an inch forward of the keel for the rail strips to wrap around. And again, kind of just take a quick look at your frame number 1 and 2, make sure there's, you know, somewhere around 3/4 of an inch outside of the frames. I'm gonna put a little mark so I know where the keel's going down. The other thing I want to check is we have our tail block or a tail block template depending on the board. We just want to make sure this is going to fit on the planks as well. So we want to make sure this is determining where the frame is going to go. So we want to make sure the frame is positioned properly on the planks.